If you go online and you are a thorough researcher, you'll be surprised at the level of false informations out there online, both in the newspaper publications. At first, I was surprised, but it dawned on me that recently many publishing companies had given the platform to staff or freelancers who are not trained in investigative journalism. So they copy and paste information from one website to another. In 2018, Ricky Lumpkins broke the Guinness World Record for the longest home kitchen cooking marathon. Since 2018 through now, the record is yet to be broken as there involves strict measures. Ricky Lumpkins is an American from LA. He won the kitchen cookathon in 2018 after cooking for 68 hours, 30 minutes and 1 second. He attempted the world record in order to raise funds to sponsor children's education in Africa through World Vision, and according to Guinness World Records, Lumpkins had raised over $45,000 through running marathon and fundraisers to achieve his dream. After 1 year, a Kenyan chef, Maliha Mohammed, attempted the marathon starting from August 15th being Thursday at 10 a.m. and ended on Sunday, August 18th at 1:03 p.m. She rested for 30 minutes after every 12 hours of non-stop cooking. Maliha spent 75 hours, 3 minutes cooking at Kenyan Bay Beach Hotel in Mombasa. After scheduling to compete a year before, however, pulled out due to insufficient fund. However, the attempt was not successful. 4 years down the line in 2023, she attempted the home cooking again, attempting to set it at 90-hour record. However, the attempt failed again despite the cookathon going viral that she had smashed it. Listen guys, sometimes fans, social media influencers and newspaper publications can cause problems for the applicants with their loud mouth and projections of immaturity on social media. Yes, you are happy that someone from your country projected your country to the world. However, you should be mature enough not to talk too much or exaggerate. Say it as it is and allow the judges to make the final decisions. Our media and newspaper publications should exercise professionalism, which requires patience in their publications. Stop causing problems for young global talents. Allow the judges to make the final decisions. You've announced your own results even before the cook submitted their own evidence of marathon. So this means that none had been able to break the record since 2018 after Ricky Lumpkins. So in 2024, late January, an announcement was made. So the Guinness World Record for the longest home kitchen cooking marathon is set to be broken in March this year by a Nigerian chef and a home cook, Miss Grace Nwakobia, as she intends to break the record.
Right.
So we have afang,
Ooh,
native jollof,
you stole
native
my
pasta, we have vegetable soup, banga soup, just everything that you can think of. Just come and eat, please.
All right. So afang, vegetable soup, pasta,
Jollof rice, pasta,
Are we getting the
yam and egg sauce.
I was about
everything.
to ask.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There's no supper.
Hey, I mean, someone listening right now, you have questions for.
She intends to break the 68 hours, 30 minutes, 1 second record by Ricky Lumpkins. And this attempt will be done at home in Lagos with mild restrictions. The cooked meals will be shared via takeaways and distributed to the orphanage homes, the homeless people on the streets, beggars, etc. And during that time, there will also be charity donations to people to start their own businesses.
Hi everyone, Chef Grace here. I'm going to be telling you 4 facts about Nigeria's World Record attempt in home kitchen edition. So the first thing is it needs to be done indoors. The second thing is it has not been broken since 2018. And the third thing is this attempt really dear to my heart as I'm going to be giving back to my home homes, orphanage homes, and just people in general. So you guys, watch out for June 14 to June 18. Please be there, come and support your girl.
Last week Friday, Grace started her cookathon and she cooked for an impressive 86 hours, surpassing the previous record. She cooked several meals in her own kitchen and the meals were largely donated to charity, including orphanage homes in Lagos. She had support from notable people within the country, including Peter Obi, a former presidential aspirant. You really put in the work, my dear. It's not easy. There is a reason the record is yet to be broken, and I hope you did due diligence to correct the error that disqualified others. I pray this time that the record will be broken and it will be done by you, our very own Nigerian. God bless Nigeria.